In the last videos, I've shown you guys how to edit scenes like Magnets Media. The last of my 5 videos are all about CapCut video editing, so I suggest you watching those videos too before watching this video. In this video, I am going to show you editing of other Magnets Media scenes.
From a distance with the help of his family, Ingvar studied business, worked as a store clerk, and even did military training. So the business was anything but efficient, and Ingvar worked extremely long hours, day and night. But after 5 years of this, Ingvar finally had the freedom to run IKEA full-time, and he wanted to go bigger.
But I will edit it in my own style. Before starting the video, make sure that you hit that like and subscribe button. Let's get into today's video. First, import all the materials by clicking on the import button. Don't worry, you will get the links from the description. Now drag this horizontal PNG to the timeline and also set its duration. Drag it from the corner and adjust its size as I do. As its size is adjusted, I will drag my own channel logo in the center, and also the glowing circle. Adjust the size of logo in the circle by dragging it from the corners. Once you adjust it, select both layers and create a compound clip. Set the logo in the center. And separate the compound clip. Choose the circle and select mask option. Choose the horizontal. Rotate it as I do and now here, click on the keyframes and give some space in the timeline. Now drag the mask to the end of the logo. As you can see that the circle is animated, which looks good. Now create a compound clip again. Set in the center. It's time to add text. To add text, click on the text option and drag it to the timeline. Here you can change the color of the text, and if you scroll a little you can add glow to the text too. And also you can change the color of the glow too. Scroll upward, and here in the text section add these dots so we can make exact same animation like Magnets Media. Once you add the dots, scroll down, choose this curve option, and curve the text as I do. As you can see, dotted line is ready. Set its size and position. Select the animation tab and choose this animation. You can increase its duration from here. The line is animated. Now drag the other PNG that we are going to animate. Set it on the text. Adjust its size by dragging it from corners, and also set its duration. The size is okay and duration is also okay, so the next step is to drag the yellow circle again and make it to the size of the logo. Drag it under the logo of IKEA. Select the mask option, choose the horizontal mask. Rotate the mask as I do. Add a keyframe, give some space in the timeline, and drag the mask to the end of the circle. Now if you replay it, it will be animated. As you can see that the circle is animated. Now it's time to add next logo. Before adding it, we have to put the animated line, so simply copy the line that we created before. First, adjust the duration of the layers of the logo and create a compound clip. Copy the line animation and paste it. Set it on the other side of the logo. Choose the curve, make it in the opposite direction. As you do this now, rotate the line animation and it will be okay. Also make it small so it can be easily fixed in the surface. It's time to add the next logo to our project. I will simply drag it to the timeline and to remove the white background. Select the cutout tab, enable chroma key and choose the white color. Drag this line to full. Add the yellow circle again and adjust it as we did before. For the other two logos, I will simply copy and paste the first WO logos that we created by just setting its size and position. Once you do this, simply export it. But before exporting it, add a green screen background to it. Now import the video again. As you imported it, go to Cutout option, enable Chroma key, and select green color. Now drag this line to full. I will animate the clip so it can look better. Add a keyframe. Give some space in the timeline and zoom on the logo. Now add the green screen clock animation to the timeline and set it under the video we imported. And also remove its green screen. It will be same as we did it before. Here is the final view of the clip. You can also add a background to make it more attractive. Here is the final view of the clip that we created. This was it in today's video. If you enjoyed watching the video, please like the video and subscribe to our channel so you can stay tuned for the next updates. See you in the next video.